in this watch area, we could see 4 to 7 foot of storm surge in some of these areas. And historically speaking, 50% of the fatalities in tropical systems comes from the storm surge. So we got to be careful. We got to be watching these values and take steps to listen to the local officials. We're working very close with them to give them maps like this, to give them that information, and working with them, and they'll be letting you know what the safest thing to do. So listen to those local officials. It can definitely save your life. So critical situation. And Dennis, I want to go to the rain real quick because it's not just the values here, but I want to cover the uncertainty. So you look, a lot of the information that I'm seeing that people are talking about, there's the coast of Florida. People are saying, well, most of the rain's offshore, but be careful with that. Watch this. So if we move the track a little to the left, these lines, they move with it. Most of the rain occurs right along that track and just to the right. So if we move that track a little bit, those large values, 6 to 10 inches, also move with it, and that can be dangerous. There's the Bahamas. We're talking about that slow movement, even slowing down to 1 mile an hour for a period of time. It's awful. 15 to 20 plus inches of rain, and even 30 inches in some of those areas. So Dennis, that's the latest information that I have, looking around at the graphics to make sure I covered it all. Let's go talk to Eric real quick. It's all about getting information out. This is one way that we do it with these Facebook Lives. We have our website, hurricanes.gov. Use it. It gets all the latest information. And the other thing that's really changed over time, just the last 4 or 5 years, it's social media. So Eric, you're our guru with the social media. How has that impacted our ability to get information out?
It's really impacted it significantly.